unboxing this new toy that we got at where, Johnny?
Walmart.
We got this Walmart Dinosaur Attack Play Set. It includes 2 dinosaur vehicle, helicopter.
The Raptor and the T-Rex.
You guys hear that? You got the T-Rex in there too. 2 figures and 16 accessories. So we're gonna be unboxing this and we're gonna see the quality of these toys and what they do, what the effects they got.
Yeah, right.
So you guys ready to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's open this. Let's open it. Get this tape out of this corner here.
I'll take you.
Here we go. And Daddy over here is gonna be pulling the set out.
I'll push it. Let me push it.
I know it's kind of tight box here.
Tight box.
But you just gotta make sure you take off the tape
Yeah.
out of all the corners.
Yeah, I already did that.
I'll tell you one thing, they pack this pretty well. So we gotta make sure that we get all the tape out. At the moment, here we go. Jacob, we're gonna do that. Alright, here we are.
Alright.
And then you guys can get a better view of the toys that are in here.
See, it's the T-Rex.
We're gonna be showing you guys soon what are all the effects on these toys once we get them all unpacked and out of the box. Johnny's gonna explain a little bit about the toys here.
But this dinosaur name is Velociraptor.
Alright, that's a cool one. Look at the color.
One so fast. You know how they kill the prey, eat them by holding the prey, and after they kill the prey, and they eat them.
Let me see. Let's see what it does. Look, he opens the mouth to catch the prey. Got movement on the arms, and look at the legs, big legs. Nice color, huh? Blue and red.
And when I say, you can hold the leg and then you do this.
That's cool. Here we go. We also got, what is it, Jacob?
T-Rex!
All right, let's see what the T-Rex do. Can you check what it does?
He did my God.
Oh my God, look at them eyes, red and the
He
mouth.
opened his mouth.
Wow.
He shut his hand. Oh.
This is big. Look at how nice the colors, everything. It feels good. It got good weight. It's definitely a cool toy to play with. Look how mean.
That's it. I'll show you. He moved his red right there. And that one, and this one.
It must be a super one. Here we got 2. We have a Jeep.
Jeep.
Oh
Yeah.
my God, but it looks like a hunter Jeep, right?
Yeah.
Look at those guns that he has there to hunt down animals. Also, God, we got what? Oh, look at the hunter guys are here.
Yeah, look.
They must be riding.
I'll show you.
They must be riding here in the back. We got another guy right here. Maybe we could ride this one in the helicopter. It comes with a helicopter. Look guys, how cool it is.
Yeah, look.
Spin around. You can sit the pilot right here.
Like this.
You can move that in the front like that, like Jacob said. Oh my God! Look, guys, we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with this one.
And you do this to tell the dinosaur.
Oh my God! They got the hook for the dinosaur too.
Yeah, tell the dinosaur.
And here we go. We got, what is this, guys? What is this? Trees. We're gonna make it seem like it's the jungle, right? We got food for the dinosaur. They like, most people like to hide behind the plants.
And bushes too.
Yeah. And here we got more gadgets. Guys, look, we got binoculars. We got a lantern. We got many things in there. Hand tools.
Yeah, look, open it. Look. And then we have the 2 eggs and the small dinosaurs.
We're gonna have a mini dinosaur land in here. dinosaur. Pay attention. Look everywhere. You hear that noise? Sounds like a T-Rex is somewhere around. Hey, look, right there. There's an egg. There's a baby dinosaur inside, so there must be dinosaur around here somewhere. I hear them. You hear them? Keep looking. Rotate. Look to your left. Look to the right. They gotta be here somewhere. If you see them, pay attention. You gotta shoot them. Either that, they're gonna eat you. So you gotta pay attention. Keep looking. Oh my God! Look at the egg. Let's go around this tree right here. We might find something here. Oh my God! Look! Look! Here you go! Shoot him! He's getting pissed. It looks like he's turning around. Oh my God! We gotta go! Let's go! Move the jeep around! Come on! Faster! He's running super fast! He's right behind us! Let's go! Oh my God! The T-Rex! What are we gonna do? Turn around! Run! They're eating the jeep. Let's go! Run! You got the handgun, yes! Run! Let's get on the chopper! Let's go on the helicopter! Come on! Shoot him! Can you shoot him from here? Let's get out of this island! We're being attacked! Let's get out! Let's go back. I think they left. There's nobody here. Let's go check if we got our belongings. We've left a lot in that Jeep. Oh my God. Man, they destroy our Jeep, man. What we're gonna do is look at our supplies, everything's on the floor, everything is smashed. This dinosaur aggressive. We gotta call for help. Is the phone working? Grab the phone. Let's grab the phone. Alright, let's call for backup. We gotta call for backup. We need backup. We are being attacked by dinosaurs. We're being attacked by dinosaurs. Please get us out of this island fast. Thank you. Alright guys, you guys have fun?
Yeah.
That was fun, right?
Yeah, I want to play the toy.
Yeah, that was very cool. We're gonna play more. So if you guys enjoyed, look, this was a dinosaur attack play set that you could get at Walmart. It's very fun. You can play with your father, you can play with your brothers. You guys are gonna enjoy it. It's nice and it's economic.
And one more thing, give us a thumb up and subscribe.
There we go. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.